LingoZen AI review. Hello humans, welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now in this video we'll talk about this LingoZen AI software. So right now we are on a sales page where you can get the $3 discount. So when you come to the sales page for the first time and then try to close it, then you will get this window and then you can click on claim discount. Okay, and then you can get this in maybe $14. So we'll see how it goes, and you will have some coupon code maybe at the top as well. So to get to the sales page, you will find the link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab a LingoZen AI copy here. Click on that link, then come to the sales page right here. And it says the future of language learning is finally here. World's first AI-powered language platform that lets you learn, practice, and master any language and builds your own Duolingo style language business. Teach students worldwide and charge. Okay, that's it. So keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Don't lose hope. Keep scrolling until you find the demo video, okay? So let's see if we can find the demo video somewhere on the sales page. So there you go. We got it, right? We got it today. So when you come maybe 40% on the sales page, scroll down. This is the demo video which you have to go and watch. I'll show the demo video right here. Some glimpses of the demo video, okay, and we'll discuss the bonuses in the end. I don't talk about bonuses in the beginning, so watch the video till the end if you want to know what bonuses, how you can get them. Okay, what we got here? So you are going to create something. You're going to create your academy. This is a 6 minutes long demo video, so you have to go and watch the full demo video on the sales page in your free time. And they are generating something. So that's your text. Regenerate, copy. Okay, paste that in the description, then choose your logo, I guess, from the computer. And favicon, and then you got your website. Okay, we got a website. That was fast. Alright, let's see. Okay, so you got a ready-made website. Okay, here you can sell this. Okay, that's cool. So you can sell this as a business, and these are showing view coaches. So these are AI coaches, obviously fake, but AI, you know, fake images. Obviously, these are fake humans. Fake humans? No humans. They are AI. That's all fake, actually, deep fake. Anyway, so this is what you will be able to generate using this software. And virtual learn. Check the learn. Choose the language. Okay. So these are the characters, and I'm just fast forwarding it. So AI Learning Hub. Okay. It looks cool to me. So this is the product here. Hello, I'm Christiana. How can I assist you today? She's trying to say something. I have muted the sound. When you watch the demo video on the sales page, then you can listen to her voice. Then you can connect payment gateways. Okay, payment gateways, right? And save changes, and then this is your website, the final product. Okay, cool. And then you can sign up and sign in and log in and this and that, and you're logged in. As you can see at the top, it shows the profile. Okay, so you're logged in. Cool. So people can sign up and make their account, and then you have AI chatbot. Cool. So welcome to Christiana, and you can talk to Christiana, which is basically an AI. Okay, cool. Do you like AI? Cool, go and buy. Alright, I think we're done. So you have to watch the demo video in your free time anyway. So watch this demo video, then come to the sales page, and you can see my bonuses are already linked with the sales page here, so you will get them automatically delivered. And then we have some OTOs. So this is what you will be getting in front end. Then this is what you will be getting in OTO1, unlimited, I guess. So you have to upgrade to unlimited, and then you have OTO2. OTO2 is unlimited, okay. OTO1 was something else. OTO1 was premium edition. OTO2 is unlimited, so go and buy OTO1 and 2 if you want everything unlimited. And then we have OTO3 chart edition. Chat edition, chart, chat, chit chat. Okay, chat and chart. So then for you edition, we have DFY. Okay, we got it. Agency edition, alright. Alright, that's cool. So many editions. Okay, go and grab everything, and let me see if I have any question answers at the bottom. Maybe yeah, we have it. Okay, so what exactly is LingoZen AI? Well, this is the language platform that helps you learn, practice, and master 100+ languages through real-time conversations and personalized lessons and instant feedback. Okay. How is this different? Read everything here. What languages can I learn? 100 plus. Beginner friendly, yes. It's for everybody. How does this AI tutor work? You can see the demo video. How much time do I need each day? You just need 15 minutes. Can I use LingoZen on mobile? Of course you can. Will it help my pronunciation? Oh yes, it will. Do I need to install anything? No. Login only. Can I create my own language platform? Of course you can. Do I need a teaching speed? Of course not. It's AI. Can I charge my students monthly? Of course you can. Commercial license? Yes. Money back guarantee? Yes. Get started by now. All right, cool. Whether you want this or not, if you want my bonuses, then go and grab the copy from me. And that's all about it, I guess. If you want to know what bonuses, how to get them, watch the video till the end. And if you are interested in making money online, then stick till the end. Alrighty, humans. So we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access Review2Profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so Review2Profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for Review2Profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for Review2Profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kishacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay, then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay, second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all this is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay, what else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me when before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this Review2Profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt, and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately, okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, 10, 12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.